First of all, we go to Canva and click here. Now write down here free YouTube thumbnail. Now click here YouTube thumbnail. Now this interface showing there are lots of thumbnail, free and premium version, but we can only customize the free version. So select this image and customize this template and show this interface. Click the plus icon and create another page. Now we can change our background color. Change our background color. Now we delete this text from the first page, and now we copy this red icon because this is great. So now copy this red icon and then paste the second page in the same process. Then okay, now we select the position for red icon. Okay, already done. Now we can change the background color. This is not perfect, the blue, so we change the another color. Okay, I think this is perfect. Okay, now we can edit our image from here, edit image, but we cannot need this right now. So now we need an image, so uploads and go to download. Okay, we already download an image. Okay, upload done and select here, but there is a problem. So we can see the image and not PNG file or background remove image, but Canva is premium for background remove. So we go to background remover, so select our image and upload here. Now already done, then download our image. Okay, now back to the Canva and now again upload our PNG file that we already remove our background. Now select our image and now we see the perfect image. Now it's sitting perfectly. Now we go to element and type rectangle. There are lots of rectangle, but only we can use the free version. Now select this rectangle and change the color. In the same process, we add another rectangle tool, and now we need some text. Now our text is already done. Now we select the array. So already done our thumbnail. and now we can share and download from here. Now download the PNG or JPG file, and we can select our page, and now done. Okay, already done our download. Now this is the final result.